How to lock notes on iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Skytech Studio. And if you want to keep your iPhone notes safe and secure by enabling the password, then here in this video I'll show you the complete guide of how you can do this. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Well, so locking notes on iPhone is pretty quick and easy. Simply go ahead and open up the Notes application from your device and access to the notes where you exactly have the file. So I have the notes right over here. So let's say I just unlock the first notes from the list. Now to do that, you just need to press and hold the note that you want to lock, and he'll get to see the lock note option. If you tap on this one, it's going to quickly ask you to enter your iPhone passcode. Go ahead and enter your iPhone passcode, and once you do that, your note will be locked with your iPhone passcode. If I close this one and open up the notes once again, and he'll get to see the first note has been locked. If I tap on this one, here it's going to ask me to enter my iPhone passcode. If I enter the passcode, the note will be unlocked. But if you want to manually set up the password or change the password, then you just need to get back from here and open up the settings from your device, and then scroll down, tap on apps, and go ahead and search for notes right over here, and go ahead and tap on this one, scroll down, tap on password, and he'll get to see it selected with the use device password. But if you want to set up manual password, then you can tap on use custom password, and you can enter your iPhone passcode, and you can set up a new password for yourself. And also you can enable the Face ID in order to lock and unlock any notes from your device. And this is how you can lock your notes on iPhone. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.